on this joyous occasion where you're presiding over this House for the first day, I thought it would be appropriate to share this joyous occasion with three other very important people. With your permission, sir. Your spouse, Madam Sumati ji, your son, Hari Sastiwal ji, and your daughter, Abhirami. I'm sure for the whole family, we wish you well. From our family of the All India Trinamool Congress, whose chairperson is Ms. Mamta Banerjee, greetings, and our National General Secretary, Abhishek Banerjee, and all our MPs and everybody across the country. Sir, we wish you good health. We wish you happiness. And since the first three speakers were looking back and they know you well, I've only met you once yesterday, so I will stick to today and the future. So on the health, to you and your family, good health, and I really mean it, because you've moved from Coimbatore to a place here where the air can be a problem. So good health, sir, please. The second one, sir, is to keep federalism healthy. It is important, sir. I know we loosely use these terms for this House. Upper House, House of Elders. No, sir. You come from the great state of Tamil Nadu. I come from the great state of Bengal. And there are people from 28 different states who all bring their stories here, who all want to express themselves here. Sir, you are the custodian of the states, the Council of States. And I'm absolutely sure that you will help us raise our voices in this Council of States. The voice of Bengal, where I come from, where we are owed over 2 lakh crores. Or Tamil Nadu, yesterday we were talking about Manrega. We have Manrega funds, so many issues from different states, from Goa in the west to the northeast of Manipur across, sir. This is what we will look forward to you, sir, in the years to come. Sir, the third one, sir, and I've only got 4. The third one, sir, is vital parameters. My wife is a doctor, not me. But when you say 120/80, you know the blood pressure is good. So here, sir, how do you judge a healthy parliamentary democracy? Now, I can't give you many different parameters and readings. Let me give you just 3 or 4 readings to judge how the parameters are in the Rajya Sabha, sir. 1952, when we started, 52 days was a session. Then in the 60s and 70s, each session came down to about 30 days. Since 2014 to 19, so the number came down, and now it's below 20 days. This session is 15 days, sir. We urge you. This reading has to improve, sir. So the third one, the second parameter, sir, I have a reading on discussions. Discussions on various issues allowed by the chair. I have the reading, sir, from 2009 to 16. 110 discussions were allowed for discussion here. Accepted and then discussed. 110. Sir, in the last 8 years, from 110 in Rajya Sabha, it's down to 36 discussions, sir. This is a disturbing number. And I can give you more parameters, like scrutiny of bills. At one time was 8 bills would get scrutinized by a select committee or a standing committee. Now if you look at the reading, it is not 8 or 6 or 5, it's 1.3. 1 bill gets scrutinized out of 10 bills, sir. So I urge you, sir, sir, and all these statistics I can lay on the table, sir. Healthy parliamentary democracy. And the last one for a healthy parliamentary democracy, sir, which we're absolutely sure with you as the custodian will look after.
Honourable members, it is now 12 noon, time for question hour in this house. Today we may dispense with question hour as felicitations to is underway. As per practice, the answers to questions will be laid on the table.
Thank you, sir. So I was, where was I? I was on the health and happiness. That's the story. Health and happiness for you and your family. Health and happiness for federalism. Health and happiness for a parliamentary democracy. And the fourth and the last, what must remain healthy is our electoral process, sir. And here, sir, there again, we look to you. A healthy, transparent electoral process must be preceded by no deaths, no inhumanity, and no unplanned acts. Econo mrittur michil amra chai na, sir. Mrittur michil chai na. So for this, sir, for this, we can have another discussion. I just touched on this point. Sir, in conclusion, as I said, I want to wish you good health and happiness, but you will forgive, I'll say this in Bengali. Shusto thakun, bhalo thakun. Now, in the true federal spirit of this house, my pronunciation in Tamil may be bad, but you can correct me later, but let me try. Okay? Shusto thakun, bhalo thakun in Bangla. So, Shiva's looking at me because he'll first correct my Tamil, but I'll try. Magarchi ago iro, arogi mago iro. Okay? That is good health and good happiness with my bad Tamil. Okay. Sir, you can be rest assured of our full cooperation. Sir, because we want this house to run. Because we really believe that the government is responsible to Parliament. And then Parliament, which you are now presiding over with the Lok Sabha Speaker. So if the government is responsible to Parliament and Parliament is responsible to the people, it is in our benefit that if Parliament doesn't run, then the government is not responsible to the people. So I want to leave you here, sir, with a constructive suggestion. We don't need to wait till tomorrow. We don't need to wait for the next session, sir. Today, let's make the electoral process happy, healthy, and let's just start a discussion on this at 2 p.m. today, sir. Thank you very much. Sir. Thank you very much. Joy Bangla, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.